Hello, friends! Do you want to play a game? Look over here. I'm going to write some numbers on this whiteboard and you'll have to guess them, all right? Here they come! When you know the number, say it out loud. Which number is this? That's it!
It's number 90. 90.
Well done! Let's try another one. See who guesses it faster. And this number is? Yes!
Number 91. 91.
Let's see how well you do with the next one. Do you know which number is this one?
Sure, it's number 92. 92.
Will you figure out the next one? And this one? Way to go!
It's number 93. 93.
Let's try the next one. Which number is this? That's it!
It's number 94. 94.
Let's see if you know which one comes next. Let's see. This number is? Yes!
It's number 95. 95.
And the next one? Which could it be? And this one? Which number is it? Good!
This is number 96. 96.
Will you guess the next one? Which number is this? You aced it!
It's number 97. 97.
You're doing great! Which number have we got here? So good!
It's number 98. 98.
Let's see how well you do with the next one. Do you know which number is this one? Sure!
It's number 99. 99.
And the next one? Will you know which one is it? What is this number? Well done!
It's number 100. 100.
You did great!
$90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100.
Well done! Bravo!
Do you want to keep on learning? Try for free our Smile and Learn platform for a month and enjoy all of our games, videos, and interactive stories. Go for it! Download Smile and Learn on your mobile, tablet, or PC.